Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel. Excuse the background. This is a clean with me video and we'll be tackling that in another video, but before I get started I just want to make a disclaimer here and say that what did I want to say? This will be a bit of a chatty clean with me, and the song that I'm going to play in the background, hopefully this does not get copyrighted, otherwise you won't hear the song that I'm referring to in the background. But the song that I intend to play is vocals only, like it's the sound of vocals and hand coordination. So I hope you enjoy, and yeah, get ready to clean with me.
I've been ungrateful for much of my life. I wasn't faithful for all this time. I feel ashamed, Lord, for the things I've done since I've been falling all this time. 'Cause I haven't had peace in so long, and I couldn't seem to go on, but now I can feel it through you. Forsake anything, and I'll follow this path back to you. Allahumma inni as'aluka al-huda wal-tuqa wal-afafa wal-ghina. Allahumma inni as'aluka al-huda wal-tuqa wal-afafa wal-ghina. I lost my way, Lord, left from your side when chasing this world. Didn't guard my eyes. I've been afraid for the things I've done, so now I'm calling you this time. 'Cause oh Allah, on this journey I come running to you. Oh, please put my heart at ease. Oh Allah, bring me to you. 'Cause I've been falling for all my life. I've been waiting for you now. 'Cause I haven't had peace in so long, and I couldn't seem to go on, but now I can feel it through you. And I will never and ever forsake anything, and I'll follow this path back to you. Oh Lord, my heart couldn't see all the truth of this life. I was caught in this world with a seal on my eyes. Then Allah, you showed me all the truth of this life. Now I'll follow this path till the end of my time. Oh, 'cause my heart couldn't see all the truth of this life. I was caught in this world with a seal on my eyes. Then Allah, you showed me.
Okay, before showing you all this next part, I'm going to make a disclaimer and say that I'd rather my daughter could make whatever size mess, so long as she is playing, learning, having hands-on fun. I would rather her be doing that than have her so into the video games and electronics. It's so easy for them to get into electronics that I absolutely love when they are into playing with Play-Doh or reading books, things like that. I'd rather, you know, she be comfortable doing that and just playing for hours and enjoying herself over electronics. So before I insert this next clip, she had a blast. She was playing for hours. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. So on with the next clip.
سمعتها my hands to you. Rompi, keep me firm on this path. May you bring me right to you. You forgive all those who seek you. Who do I call if it's not you? Pray one day I'll meet you. Rompi, won't you bring me back to you?
So this is the finished or cleaned off table, right? And you can see so much damage that's done because we get a lot of use out of this table. Not to mention, I bought the whole table set. It was on Craigslist. Okay, let me try that again. I bought the whole table set for 30 bucks on Craigslist, the 4 chairs plus the table, and this is the built-in extended leaf. And yeah, 30 bucks, and the 2 end tables were free on Craigslist. So 6-seater table or dinner table, and yeah, IKEA brand. And here we go. We have a lot of use out of it, so I'm going to try to refinish, or what is it, restain it. And I'm thinking about staining this one as well. This island, or what is it called? It's a trolley. I got this on IKEA. I mean, I'm sorry. This is an IKEA, what is this called? Trolley as well. It has the little wheels on the bottom. I absolutely love it because it's portable. It has the drawers that hold our napkins in it, all of that. I got this on Craigslist as well. And I think this was 30 bucks. Yeah, this was 30 bucks. I want to finish the top. I was trying something I saw on YouTube, some DIY. It didn't work out and I just stopped. So I need to wipe that off and clean it. This is, oh, let me focus. I didn't realize it wasn't focused. Anyway, I plan to make a hair lotion. This is shea butter. And anyway, I'll make another video with this. That's why that's up there. Fruit bins are empty right now. And yeah, I should clear this off so I can do it all in one. This is the first time I'll be using this. Let me focus that. Yeah, so let's get started. I'm going to set the tripod up and get right into it.